Hello, I'm Mary, and today I'll guide you through this tutorial regarding the creation of the safety organizational chart of your company. First of all, it's important to remember that the safety organization you create is used to identify the exact role of every person listed within the safety organization. Secondly, 4HSC allows you to manage your employees' assignments and store them in digital format. Another important feature in this area of the 4HSC platform is the possibility to create homogeneous groups consisting of one or more persons performing the same functions within the company. This is possible by creating roles and then associate roles with workers or external persons, the so-called outsiders. The safety organizational chart is also a very important tool allowing us to manage the deadlines. In fact, alerts can be sent directly to the various roles created. Having created roles associated with workers' names, alerts do not request individual alert setups. Every time an alert can include all the persons associated with the various roles. Imagine how much time will be saved just replacing a name within a group compared to how much time it will take you to set the alert of every single receiver of the message every time a role is changed. Well, now that we have clarified the importance of the 4HSC safety organizational chart, let's have a look at the steps to be taken in order to be able to create the chart of your company or operative location. First of all, let's open the project. Double-click on the location where you want to create the safety organizational chart and select Safety Organizational Chart from the menu. Clicking on the Add button, you can choose or a standard role or a customized role. Choosing the standard role, the predefined list of the system will appear. Find the role you want to add and then click Save. If the role you are looking for does not exist, you have the possibility to add a customized role. Just click on Add Customized Role. Let's fill in the role description, for example, Maintenance Officer. Then click on Save. As you can see, there are three fields: code, name, and description. The only mandatory field is the role description marked with a red star. At this point, we are able to associate a person with the role. First, select the role with which you want to associate the person. Click on the button Associate Person or Persons. You can have more than one person associated with the role. Select the person or persons you want to associate with that specific role. I just want to remind you that only persons associated with the location will appear. Click on the persons you want to associate and click Save. Now the person is associated with the role. An arrow appears to the left of the field that I've just finished, which means that I have associated the person to that specific role. Clicking on the arrow, I will find the names associated to the role. It is possible to modify the relative start and end of mandate dates. You do this by selecting the person and modify his or her mandate date. If the columns start date and end date are not visible in a table, you can add them by clicking the right mouse button. In a specular way, we can associate the role directly with the person from the screen with the details of the person. Open the screen with the details of the person you want to add. Select Safety Organizational Chart from the menu to the left and click on the button Add. In this list that appears, you will find all the roles previously associated with the company or corporates where the person works. Click on the role that you want to add and click Save. Thank you for your kind attention. See you again in the next tutorial regarding our 4HSC platform.